What up, babies? I'm back again. Yep, I'm back, y'all, with another lit Halloween candle review from Goose Creek. Let's get right to it. After you do this, come on. Hit that like button and do the rest of that stuff, but only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House Gang Gang. Now, because of the last one, I wanted to take it a little easy. I'm not even going to hold you. I was fearful of the next review. So I said, I'm going to be a little edgy, but a little bit safe at the same damn time. And what other way to do it than with a damn cat? So, without further ado, the candle of the day, the candle of the hour, the candle of choice is, yeah. Oh, I got a hole into the song. I forgot what I was doing. Black Bat Lemonade. Bitch, that's not a cat, that's a bat. Oh, shit. It's different. It smells like a spicy lemonade. Okay? Oh, it's a bat. Why is that a cat? Why ain't nobody correct me in the hall? Y'all ain't nothing. Y'all, oh, why y'all do mamas like that? Y'all know I was saying it wrong. They like fucking with you, I think so. Black Bat Lemonade. Did I say cat? Roll a clip. Black Bat Lemonade. One of the babies asked me about this one. It's like a spicy lemonade. Ooh. Okay, never mind. I was gonna pop you. All right. Continue. But there's a damn spider. And that they really not trying to be different. They said we're gonna use this. Shit, you could be a little creative. It's Halloween, you like it. Okay, so we got white wax, y'all. Creamish. With medium-sized wicks that do not need to be trimmed. They don't need to be trimmed. They just need to take a little off the top so we can get that thing ignited. Okay. Look at you using your words. Shut the fuck up. Okay, so the notes. Oh, remember the new fall collection, how they had the notes on it? They didn't do that with this. Goose, get it together. Goosey, make up your mind. We shouldn't have to be looking all over the candle to figure shit out. Come on, put it on the bottom, Goosey. Jeez, I get frustrated. All right, let's see what the notes say. Drop a spooky theme. What? Drop it spooky. Stupid. I had coffee. No shit, Sherlock. Where'd that come from? Put it down below, Joe, if y'all know where that derived from. No shit, Sherlock. Shit, how they gonna know? I don't know. Maybe it's. I got some smart babies. What you trying to say? What you trying to say? See what? You see, look at her. See? Be your own mama self. What? Ooh, this coffee bust. Nah. Okay. Did you drop the music? I'll drop it again. Thank you. Just a tiny bit of venom will do. It's a bright splash of Halloween flavor. I think Zaya's listening to me. Venom, spiked lemon, grapefruit, and sugar. Didn't I tell y'all that this has some spice too? Y'all stop playing with me. Stop. Stop it. Okay. I work myself up. Look, I'm going to take a little off the tip, like I said, and then I'm going to light this thing and get this puppy started. And I'll be back, right? Y'all gotta come back too. Stay tuned. Okay. If this is how it's gonna be, y'all, the bat candle is throwing like an 8.5. Maybe even a 9. Yeah, it's potent. It's potent. Yeah, it really is. Now, performance-wise, the first 2 burns, flawless. Pulled expeditiously, nice even pull, medium flame. They were flawless. With that third burn, I don't know, something happened. But I didn't do anything to it. I just let it do what it do. And eventually it did even out, right? So the 4th burn, which is now, it was like 3 hours, and I said, whoa. So I had to cotton ball, y'all. I had to cotton ball it, and now it's doing its thing. But yeah, it was weird. It was really low flame, and yeah, but now it's revving up and it's doing its thing. Now, the aroma, y'all. One of the babies says something. I can't get it out of my head. I don't know. Some people have a problem with these lemon scented candles. Some people think they smell like cleaner. I have a friend who felt that limoncello smelled like, like you were cleaning your house. Not to me. I smell lemon in a lot of it, but it's more edible than cleaning product for me. I don't know. And it's spicy. This is a good Halloween candle. I wouldn't be burning this in any other season. But yeah, it smells good. Now, let's depict it, because I don't think there's much to depict. But let's see. What is it? Black bat. Girl. Okay. Venom. I smell it. I like this candle. Spiked lemon. Yes, the lemon has been spiked with venom. Grapefruit. Yeah. Ooh. And sugar. Yeah, I like this one. I like this one. Who else like it? Put it below, Joe. I like it. Hey, Mikey. So, $1 million question. Is this a repurchase for me? For next Halloween? Yes. And I might even get it now, because they got a really good sale going on right now. They got it for $10.99. And if you use the code, you get an additional 15% off. So, yeah, I might get it again. I'm trying not to shop, though. But, yeah, I like it. I like it. All right. So, that's it. That's all. And having said all that, having said all of that, I will see you, babies, later. I love your guts. And y'all be good.